PTC Creo Piping and Cabling Extension, or PCX, enables designers to create routed systems quickly and easily. These systems can be designed directly in the 3D environment or intelligently driven by a 2D schematic. Starting with a 2D schematic, designers can quickly review wiring routes and connections to avoid errors. If a new wire is needed, it can be easily added in the 2D environment by simply selecting from a library of standards and creating the connection. This dedicated environment in PCX can improve design documentation and ensure design integrity is maintained throughout the process. The 2D environment also supports the export of wiring, cabling, and piping diagrams in standard formats, such as XML, and integrates with PTC's Windchill. Opening a cabling subassembly in the 3D environment, a newly added wire in the 2D schematic is ready to be routed. In this case, PCX automatically identifies an error, a missing connector, and prompts the user to fix the problem. Once resolved, the user automatically returns to the routing action they were executing when the problem was detected, ensuring a smooth flow to the design process. In PCX, cables can be routed using different options, from a simple route to options with greater levels of control. And rerouting cables is easily accomplished through quick access to commands. In this design, 3 cables are routed to follow an existing cable route, ensuring a clean design, reinforced by Creo's constant visual feedback, achieving the design intent. Reroute can also fix interferences with surrounding geometry by selecting the cable and adding a location to avoid. If cables are disjointed in a design, Creo provides the tools to easily connect them. Using the Route Cables button, a design engineer can select specific wires, select disjoint wires, cables, and attach each to a corresponding disjointed wire or cable. To easily differentiate cables and wire, Creo enables designers to set color, stripe, position, width, and gaps to wire models. With the ability to control the appearance, these updates to wires are easily updated and shared in Windchill, shared drives, or the working area, and applied to selected spools and regenerated. Tie wraps and markers are similarly created, updated, and regenerated. Creo enables faster creation and improves placement of these differentiators, and scales to Windchill and beyond. Creating manufacturing information for the cabling is quick and easy. The 3D cabling loom is automatically flattened and the individual components can be displayed. Finally, the harness can be automatically output as a drawing, including a bill of materials, significantly shortening the product development cycle for products that include cabling. As with all aspects of Creo, any changes to the 3D design are automatically reflected in the 2D drawing documentation. Undertaking piping design with PCX is very similar to cabling. The engineer is once again presented with a dedicated ribbon UI, specifically for piping design. As with cabling, routing pipes is a quick and easy task. Simply select the start point and reference an existing pipe, and the new pipe is quickly modeled. As with cabling, any changes are automatically reflected in the manufacturing drawings. In this case, the piping assembly, bill of materials, and individual pipe drawings. With PTC Creo Piping and Cabling Extension, engineers can quickly and easily create routed systems designs using either a 3D modeling or 2D schematic-driven approach. With this efficient yet comprehensive extension, this intuitive interface improves productivity, easily accommodates late-stage changes, and cut costs and time with fewer prototypes and shorter design cycles. This is Creo, design as it should be.